Hello, this is Peggy Healy Stearns, lead designer for FabMaker Studio. Today's FabMaker quick tips are on using 3D view to see how your 3D designs will fold. First, before designing with shapes, make sure the magnet here in the left toolbar is on and glowing so ready-made shapes are magnetized and snap together, creating an automatic green fold line like this. Go to 3D view in the lower right. Click the enlarge button in this corner, then drag the green slider to fold the design. Place your cursor in the black area and drag to change the view angle. To go back to the initial view, choose front. Drag the slider left to unfold. Add another shape and check 3D view. If a shape doesn't fold, it may not be snapped properly. Check to be sure the magnet is on. Then drag the shape away, line it up, and snap again. Back to 3D view. There you go. If you resize ready-made shapes, they will still snap and display in 3D view. But if you resize a shape after snapping, you lose the fold line. Just drag the shape away, like this, and snap it again. Shapes you morph with edit points will also snap, fold, and display properly. As you experiment more with FabMaker Studio, you'll notice a few things like graphics, cutouts, and tabs that don't display properly when you fold your design in 3D view. However, these design elements still print and fabricate properly. So, tips for 3D view. When you snap shapes, make sure the magnet is on. In 3D view, drag the green slider to fold. Drag in the black area to change the view angle. Click front to go back to the original view angle. If a shape doesn't fold properly, be sure the magnet is on and snap the shape again. A few objects do not display properly in 3D view, but these constructions still print and fabricate properly. So, try snapping together ready-made shapes to create 3D objects, then use 3D view to watch them fold. Play around, experiment, and have fun.